I wonder when the trucks are going to start. It comes. Here it comes. Finally. Recognize some of these from so I recognize like a couple more. One more left, I think. Or two more. A little midget truck. Oh my. Yeah, this is wonderful.
How we doing tonight? Are you guys about ready to get this thing started and kick it off? All right, how we doing out there? You guys ready? Woo! Hold on, is this thing even on? Let's try this one more time. 3, 2, 1. Who's ready for introductions? Woo! Some of these riders you may have actually seen on TV. You may have seen the magazines. You may have even seen some of these as playable characters in the video games. We're so excited for introductions out here. Who's ready to meet your first athlete? That's what I'm talking about. We're very excited to introduce our new intern on tour the last few years out here. Ladies and gentlemen, join us all the way from Phoenix, Arizona. Let's make some noise for Jake Koha. That's what I'm talking about. You never know where riding ATVs is going to lead you. A brand new internship on tour. Our next athlete out here actually started racing when he was only 6 years old. He's been racing for, I'd say, 15, 20 years now. He's your 2019 B-Class State Championship. Ladies and gentlemen, from Litchfield, Minnesota, let's hear it for Nick Rogers. And last but not least, on the four-wheelers out here, started riding when he was only 7 years old. He started following the ATV Big Air Tour on Instagram. He started sending us photos and videos of him jumping his ATV. He's now earned a spot in the tour the last 5 years. Ladies and gentlemen, your newest college graduate, let's hear it for John Langen. Woo! That's right, proud college graduate out here this summer. So excited. Who is ready to meet your monster truck driver? Woo! I think what he just said was, who's ready to meet the monster truck? Woo! We're gonna kick it off from
from Moneta, Virginia. 13 years old. The last time he was here was in 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Tucker Wright and the Top Dog!
Woo! The young one.
Up next, from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. How many female monster truck fans do we got out there tonight? You know, we were just up in Proctor, Minnesota this past weekend. Well, actually Friday, Saturday. And this lady took home the racing victory. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ann Stretch and the Muddy Girl!
God, I wish I had a drone right now so I could record.
Down on the far end, one of the hardest
They probably would if all he stayed over
men
here.
in the business. I witnessed him work all weekend long, putting an engine into this truck and getting it to run to bring here to Jordan, Minnesota tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, out of Pennsylvania, Paul Bro and Backdraft! Remember what I said. I said, be loud, show your appreciation for these guys. So when I call out their names, you scream, get loud. Are you with me? Down on the far end, I'm not gonna walk all the way down there. That green truck with a little kid crying on the side. We're gonna call him the new guy. His second event in all-time legendary monster trucks. This truck has been running since the mid-'80s. Now with a new owner. Ladies and gentlemen, out of Conroe, Texas, give it up for Dan Finley and King
Krunch. One of the OGs.
That was about it, right? I didn't forget anybody, did I?
Forgot him at least.
So this guy right here, 30 plus years in the monster truck industry. How many trucks have you built? 50 plus trucks built by this man. A true legend. Ladies and gentlemen, Craig Christensen and Dragon Solano. Right now, I'd like to ask if there is any military, past, present, and possible future. If there is, will you please rise? Please keep standing. If there's any fire, rescue, EMT, first responders out there, will you please rise? Everybody that's still sitting down, I want you to look at these people that are standing up. This is the backbone of these United States right here, our true heroes, not some politician with a pen in his hand. This is the reason these people bleed red, white, and blue. something we normally do. We normally kick these shows off and we do kind of a wheelie competition. But apparently, we're gonna kick your show off here in Jordan, Minnesota at the Scott County Fair with the best trick. Wheelies, they get 2 hits. Or, if they're feeling frisky, they can cut a donut. What do you think about that? Your first truck up and stretch in the muddy goal! Remember, get loud, make some noise! That's exactly what I was telling you. The louder that you guys are, the more she's gonna do.
I haven't seen a show like this in years where it's actually like it. I don't think since 2013. It's been a while.
What'd you think about that? I know it is hard to believe, but talking from experience, when you're behind the wheel of a monster truck, you can hear when the crowd cheers and screams. Our second truck out from Houston, Texas. We're calling him Brandon the new guy, but it's Brandon Ramsey and Tantrum.
Can you send me some of your videos when you're done, just in case my phone dies? Thank you. So I've only got like 34 battery left, so.
Remember when I was telling you to chant? Maybe you can't hear us. There he goes. I don't think you guys are being loud. Just remember, with these trucks, you gotta crawl before you can walk, walk before you can run, and run before you can jump. Ladies and gentlemen, Dylan Finley. One of the most monster trucks out of the great state of Texas. I said, man, I don't know if I'd be trying to cut any donuts on this ground. It's pretty tough. But it wasn't bad. What do you think as he's backing up? Make some noise for Finley and Krunch. How about any American Soldier fans? Ladies and gentlemen, Corey Clark, American Soldier. Flying the red, white, and blue. Whoa, here's some history here. Ladies and gentlemen, Dylan Finley and King Krunch against Let's put her in a basket, Tucker. You're dead. Come on, clap your hands, stomp your feet. Tucker right in the touchdown. Dylan Finley and King Krunch against Paul Bro and Backdraft. Tantrum right shot. To watch what he does out here. Texas's own Dylan Finley.
still going.